Hi, I'm Tom from Learn PDR Online. Today we're answering some of your questions in this video series. One of the questions we are often asked is, will PDR damage my paintwork? The answer is no. Paintless dent removal is the art of removing dings and dents from panel work without the need for any fillers or any paintwork. If your paint is fully intact and we can get access to the area to repair the dent, then it is usually possible to remove that dent fully with paintless dent removal. There are a couple of main techniques. One is with using glue tabs to the outside of the panel and being able to pull the dent out. And another common method is getting behind the dents with different bars and rods and effectively getting behind to push the dent out from the inside. We also use blending hammers, tap downs and kind of small hammers to tap in the damage, and this lets the metal go backwards and forwards until it's in the right position, back to its original form. But none of these methods, if done correctly, will damage the paintwork. So if your paint is already intact, then we can remove the dents and keep it within the original paint finish. Thank you for watching.